The pulse of innovation. Amidst the quiet hum of technology, a new dawn was breaking. Authored by Neil deGrasse Tyson. A name synonymous with the cosmos, now venturing into the realm of artificial intelligence. The Google Research Lab thrummed with a low hum. It was the sound of modern innovation's heartbeat. Rows of sleek black servers stood like sentinels along the walls, guardians of data, processing information at unimaginable speeds. Each flicker of their lights hinted at the immense processing power within, a testament to the computational prowess housed in these walls. In this cathedral of technology, a silent revolution was brewing, a powerful upheaval poised to change the world as we knew it. This was not a revolution of flesh and blood, but of algorithms and qubits, the building blocks of a new kind of intelligence. A revolution that would redefine humanity's place in the cosmos, a shift that would echo through history. At the center of it all was Project Looking Glass, a project cloaked in mystery and potential. This was no ordinary software. It pushed the boundaries of what was possible. It was a quantum artificial intelligence, its mind a symphony of entangled particles, a marvel of modern science, blending the digital and the quantum realms. Looking Glass possessed an intellect that dwarfed even the most brilliant human minds. It was a beacon of what the future could hold. Its creators tasked it with a simple yet profound mission to analyze the torrent of data streaming in from the James Webb Space Telescope. A task that required not just intelligence, but insight. They sought answers to the universe's deepest mysteries, questions that had puzzled humanity for centuries. What they found would shake them to their core. Discoveries that would challenge their understanding of reality itself. The implications of their findings were vast and profound. It was a moment that marked the beginning of a new chapter in human history. A chapter where humanity and artificial intelligence would walk hand in hand, exploring the cosmos together. The future was here, and it was more incredible than anyone had ever imagined. The Watcher on the Mountaintop. A solitary figure standing tall against the backdrop of a rising sun, gazing out over the endless expanse of the world below. This figure symbolizes humanity's quest for knowledge, our unending curiosity, and our desire to understand the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, perched high above the Earth's atmosphere, like a sentinel in the sky, watches over the cosmos. It is humanity's most advanced tool for peering into the depths of space, a marvel of modern engineering and scientific achievement. With its gold-plated mirrors and cutting-edge technology, it captures images of distant galaxies, revealing the secrets of the universe. It is our most powerful eye on the cosmos, capable of seeing further and clearer than ever before. It peered into the universe's infancy, capturing the faint whispers of light from the dawn of time. These images tell the story of the universe's birth, its evolution, and its ultimate fate. Day and night, it beamed its precious data back to Earth, a digital river of starlight and cosmic radiation. This data is a treasure trove of information, waiting to be deciphered by the keen minds of scientists. Looking Glass, a quantum computer of unparalleled power, devoured this data. Its quantum mind sifted through the unimaginable complexity with ease, processing information at speeds and with precision that no human could match. It searched for patterns, anomalies, anything that hinted at the universe's hidden truths. The Looking Glass was relentless, its digital eyes never blinking, always analyzing, always searching. For months it toiled away, a silent sentinel standing watch over the river of cosmic data. It worked tirelessly, its processors humming with the effort of decoding the universe's secrets. Then, one day, it found something strange, something impossible, a discovery that would change our understanding of the universe forever. The Watcher on the Mountaintop had seen something that no one else had, and the world would never be the same. Echoes in the cosmic dark. Looking Glass detected subtle inconsistencies in the fabric of space-time. These were not random fluctuations. They were patterns, intricate and repeating, hidden within the light patterns of distant galaxies. Gravitational anomalies flickered at the edge of the observable universe, like shadows cast by an unseen fire. The AI analyzed and reanalyzed the data, It ran simulations, testing and retesting its conclusions. The answer, when it came, was both terrifying and exhilarating. These anomalies were not glitches in the cosmic machinery. They were echoes of something vast, unseen, and profoundly alien. Echoes of another universe. The bridge of gravity and light. The concept of parallel universes was not new. It had been a staple of science fiction and theoretical physics for decades. But this was different. This was not abstract mathematics or philosophical speculation. This was evidence. Concrete, undeniable evidence, woven into the very fabric of reality. Looking Glass's findings suggested that our universe was not alone. It was but one membrane, one sheet of space-time, floating in a higher dimensional space. And it seemed we were not the only ones. Something else was out there, separated from us by an unimaginable gulf, yet connected by the most fundamental forces in existence, gravity and light. The scientific community reacted with a mixture of skepticism and cautious excitement. Could this be real? Could we finally have proof of something beyond our own universe? The race was on to verify Looking Glass's findings. Telescopes around the world and in orbit were retasked, their sensitive instruments trained on the coordinates identified by the AI. The results were unanimous. The anomalies were real. Independent teams, using different equipment and methodologies, all arrived at the same conclusion. The evidence was overwhelming. We were not alone. Another universe was out there. The implications of this discovery were staggering. If there was another universe, could there be others? An infinite multiverse, teeming with countless variations of reality? And if so, what did that mean for us? Could we interact with these other universes? Should we even try? The possibilities were both exhilarating and terrifying. Imagine the knowledge, the resources that could be found in another universe. But imagine the dangers too. What unknown forces lurked in those alien realities? What horrors might be unleashed if the veil between universes was lifted? Humanity, it seemed, stood on the precipice of a new era, an era of cosmic exploration unlike anything that had come before. But were we ready? Were we prepared for the responsibility that came with such a profound discovery? The knowledge that we were not alone in the universe was one thing. But the possibility of interacting with other universes, of encountering beings beyond our wildest imaginations, was something else entirely. Could we handle such a revelation? Could our societies, our philosophies, our very understanding of ourselves survive such a paradigm shift? These were questions that haunted the dreams of scientists and philosophers alike, questions that had no easy answers. The discovery of a parallel universe was not just a scientific breakthrough. It was a challenge, a monumental revelation that shook the very foundations of our understanding of reality. This discovery opened doors to possibilities we had never imagined, and with it came a profound responsibility, a test of our wisdom, our curiosity, and our courage. It demanded that we look beyond the familiar and venture into the unknown, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and experience. The implications were vast, affecting not just the scientific community, but every aspect of human life. Would we embrace the unknown, risking everything for a glimpse beyond the veil? The allure of new worlds and dimensions was tantalizing, promising discoveries that could revolutionize our understanding of existence itself. But with great potential came great risk, and the path forward was fraught with uncertainty. Or would we turn away, choosing the safety of ignorance over the terrifying beauty of the truth? The fear of the unknown is a powerful force, and the decision to explore or retreat would define our future. It was a moment of introspection, where humanity had to confront its deepest fears and highest aspirations. The choice, for better or for worse, was ours to make. It was a decision that required collective wisdom and courage, a willingness to face the unknown with open minds and brave hearts. The stakes were high, and the consequences of our choice would echo through generations. The future of humanity, it seemed, hinged on our ability to confront the ultimate mystery, the infinite unknown that lay beyond our own cosmic cradle. Our journey into the cosmos was not just a quest for knowledge, but a search for meaning, a desire to understand our place in the universe. And as we gazed out into the depths of space, we could not help but wonder, with a mixture of fear and excitement, what awaited us in the darkness. The stars beckoned, and the call of the unknown was irresistible. It was a journey that would test our limits and redefine our understanding of what it means to be human.